So I don't know how we did that shit without stopping, other than just keeping each other in check with the pace. That and fuel. It was. I don't even know how to describe that climb. Once we hit halfway point, and then the point when we turned around last time, just the legs were just on point. Nothing hurt worse than it did to begin with. We just kept rolling, and pretty emotional moment for sure. It's an accomplishment. And now we get to do 50 miles an hour for over 20 minutes. That should be fun. And here it comes. Finally got off the ground.